Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, but actually we're from Little Coin Shop.
Woohoo.
So this is littlecoinshop.com.au. So they've had a delivery, we've kind of snuck it off to the side, and we're going to have a poke through it and see what they've ordered.
Some more New Zealand Mint stuff, I suspect.
I suspect it is, seeing as it says New Zealand Mint on the front of it.
Tends to be a bit of a giveaway.
Tends to be a bit of a giveaway. So this will be their lunar rabbitish type stuff by the look of this.
I was going to say, that's looking very lunar.
There's other stuff in there. Okay, this is
You're
going to be a bit of
sneak
fun.
peeks before everyone else on the video does. What's that about?
I got to say, they do a fantastic job with this sort of stuff. Their presentation's great. So it comes with a certificate of authenticity. And then inside here will be a little case. And not the best of backgrounds, but the coin itself is just sensational. So you can see there it's a coloured... what sort of style would you call that rabbit?
I'm not sure.
It's not cartoonish, but it's, yeah,
I'm
something or
going
other.
to broaden it with just the word stylized rabbit. And I think that kind of covers you for everything.
That's beautiful. I love the way they do that.
Very cool coin.
Alrighty, that's the first one in there. What else have we got hiding in here?
Let's see, what were you sneaking at before?
So these ones are also 1 ounce silver Year of the Rabbit.
That's the Chibi box.
It is the Chibi Year of the Rabbit. I didn't put the C of A back in that one. We better keep them together.
Amazing.
So that is incredibly cool. Let's see if I can knock it out. And there you go, that's the other side of it. So again, 1 ounce of silver. But that is incredibly cool for a Year of the Rabbit.
Very nice.
Alright, we'll slide that back in. That goes back into there. And we'll put that back together in a little while. Alrighty, I think that is all that is in this box. There's a whole stack of those.
Good stuff. Always good to have a few of them.
Yep, they're all the same, all the way through there. So, excellent. We'll put that one to the side. Let's have a look at what's hiding in this one.
In box number 2.
It's no wonder I never know what's coming in.
We just kind of throw random boxes in front of you and and get you to react to them.
We do. So these ones we've already seen before.
Yep, some more of the
part of the Star Wars unboxing.
More of the Star Wars ones.
These ones are more of the ones we looked at right at the start there. And then hiding in here,
some mystery white boxes.
oh, here we go. I haven't seen these ones before. So these are Chibis on steroids. So this is the Batman Chibi.
Oh, that's cool.
That is incredibly cool. And I've never had to play around with these before, so I'm probably going to make a goose myself. But
I was going to say, it's got like an extra box around the outside.
it does. So I don't even know if we can open these, and I don't dare play around with them.
I was going to say, it might be a part of the collector side of things of it.
Yeah, well, you should be able to open it because there's a sealed box inside. Yeah, I'm not going to do this on camera. We might have a play around off camera and see if we can open it without making a goose of myself or breaking it. So we'll put that one to the side, and if we manage to get it open without doing any damage, you'll see it on the B-roll side of things. Alrighty.
Another layer.
Here we go. Have we seen these before?
We have had the Bambis. I don't know if this is the same one though. No, this is different. I think we had Bambi and the Thumper previously. I believe this is this is a different one.
There you go. This is the other quintessential Bambi scene with the butterfly on Bambi's tail. So beautiful coin, beautiful presentation.
Just the sparing uses of colour as well. I quite like that.
I think they've done it. I wasn't when this expression of interest came out. I was a little concerned, but I'm actually quite impressed with how they've done it. So that's the Bambis. I'll put those back in there. That's that box complete, I believe.
Good stuff. And on to lucky number 3.
Last box. Now, hopefully in here is one that I've been looking forward to seeing. I've seen the artwork for it, but I haven't actually seen the coin in real life. So, hopefully hiding in here.
There's often times where that is actually quite different.
Yeah, here it is. The Looney Tunes.
Ooh. Hey, let me get a good look at that box there.
Year of the Rabbit.
Ooh. It's gone! No, underneath the... there we go.
Oh, yeah, I like that. That is cool as.
Amazing.
One of my favourite characters is the rooster.
I say boy.
Yeah, I've forgotten his name now. Isn't that terrible? Leghorn.
Foghorn Leghorn.
Foghorn Leghorn, thank you. So I'm really looking forward to the year of the rooster. As always seems to happen, we got to the bottom of the box and we found one that we hadn't actually highlighted. And it's a little bit same, but different. And that's why we missed it. So you'll see that we've shown you the 1 ounce version of this already. But this one here is actually the Bugs Bunny Looney Tunes Year of the Rabbit from New Zealand Mint. But it's actually in a 3 ounce. Not just the 1 ounce. So bigger coin, heavier coin. It's got a bit of heft to it. Same design, but looks sensational because it's just that, as we keep saying, and I say, you know, the 10 ounce and the kilo coins are my favourite because it's a bigger planchet. You can get more detail, more character, more interest into it. And they've done that with this 3 ounce. They've taken the 1 ounce and expanded it out. So the patterning stands out far more. The colours are far more vibrant and standing out. So yeah, 3 ounce is available as well. Again, check the link below. And apologies for missing it on the first round. So that's that. Now I believe this we've already seen before.
That will probably be one of the Batmans. Yeah. Oh, actually, it says on the outside there.
Yeah, no, the Batman. So that's it for the New Zealand unboxing.
Fantastic. The Year of the Rabbit stuff in there.
So mostly Year of the Rabbit, and then the Batman as well. So again, littlecoinshop.com.au. Have a squiz at them, but these are pretty darn cool and something different to the standard Perth Mint sort of stuff. Yeah. So if you're looking for something just slightly different, New Zealand Mint does produce some excellent things. And then you've got the, like I said, the Looney Tunes one, which is one completely out of the box. So head over to littlecoinshop.com.au. You'll actually see the links to the to these products down below. Grab them while you can.